We're back. We're back.
Do you know what?
We're back where it all happened, Dixon. He's heading to the start gate for a different reason this time.
PTSD kicking in. I've got full knee pads on, even though I'm just a spectator this year.
Do they do knee pads your size? Is that enough, Dixon?
That's not enough, actually, that.
It is.
They're only worth 19 each.
Such a scammer, Ted, all time. You have to have a win every little time when it comes to money, don't you? Right? Can't believe you haven't sorted lads out with VIP Enduro tyres.
Yeah, look.
Yeah, that's only thanks to who?
Carbon Comps.
Thanks Carbon Comps for VIP passes, appreciated. Go get your tickets for Carbon Comps. But where's ours Enduro tyres ones, Ted? Bobby ain't got one.
Carbon Camp.
Carbon Camps.
Carbon Camp. You'll be good at that, carbon camping. Yeah, I think you would have been fine, absolutely, this year. You'd have probably won it, wouldn't you, this year?
I dropped the clutch here and there was wheels spinning by the rocks, so...
There he is. Why don't you get some knee braces and go again?
I've just had these in the washing machine.
Have a feel of that dirt, Dixon. It's good dirt, that, isn't it? It's spongy. It's spongy, isn't it?
It's good dirt.
Nice. Oh, there's Melt Media 2.
She working for you?
FYI Media.
She working for you?
No, she's professional, I'm not. FYI Films, I think it's called.
It'd be a weird start to go over here and then turn left.
Yeah, it's weird. They're going to do that, but then do the track and then you miss it out. Yeah.
She was a rider.
It's like spongy.
I'd say we're pretty technical riders, so this kind of stuff's to be on the front end, it's slippery, so yeah, drags up the rock.
Definitely going to rut up. Big ruts, big ruts. Dangler Dixon in his absolute element doing a track walk with his merch.
Nice and slow.
Oh, what's this remind you of?
Slow and steady winter.
What's this remind you of, Dixon?
He's on the rock garden.
Crashed on these before, haven't you, kid?
Not on logs, I'm alright on logs.
That's what you did, didn't you? Wait, Dixon, don't. Careful, mate.
Have a look for the one.
That's the one. That's the one. It's got a party kneecap on it, look. Poor Dixon, reminiscing on his fails last year.
I've been walking across these rocks again.
This is what you slipped on something like this.
So
there you have
Famous rock garden. Actually, don't look bad if I'm honest. If I'm honest, it don't look as bad as a rock garden as I've seen before. It looks quite rideable. Look how flat they are.
Yeah, these are pretty
nice and like. I think you could get some speed up through these if you were any good. Maybe not me. Where's Bob gone? Bob bailed out on us.
Oh, yeah.
Everyone could clean the track, that would be amazing.
Watch him try and get down here.
I can't move my leg fast enough.
Robocop knees. Can't get down. Watch him walking, he's shit. Look at him.
Oh, wow, Willis, yeah.
Beast.
Yeah, did it plan out? I'll start following him.
Good follow, Bob. I have since Tong, yeah. I didn't even know he was until then.
So you came, is that who came
Triumph?
third?
Yeah, it's well good, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's well lit in there. Aluminium frame, Bob. That's the main thing, isn't it? There's a bike. See, the headlights are fake, aren't they, on Super Enduro bikes?
That's real, that. The camera you've got compared to it. This time next year, that's going to be you, innit? What? On the other side of the barrier.
What, this Dixon?
Yeah.
Did they do a helmet mount for that? Nose cased the second. We missed it. We missed it on the vlog, but this guy just nose cased. What number is he? 84. Wood. Absolute nose cased of a bar.
He'll have been thinking he was rolling that in nice.
Yeah, that was a big one. 10 minutes. I hope he's alright. Looks a bit bent up. Give it a kick, lad, that'll do it. That's it. Stove her in.
Inside my section. Beautiful over that triple there for Johnny Ward. Smooth silk with those rocks.
Oh no!
Oh, losing a bit of time. Here he comes off the back of the bike.
34.7, he's going to be.
Oh my God!
What will he do? Yeah!
3-1-1.
We know that there's some people from the Giant Factory here with us tonight, so we hope you're enjoying that. But look at the car, Jack Price is in trouble now. He's got to get through there.
Who was that?
The Scotch out of Price. He just pushed it in front of everybody like that, and his elbows out. That's what he does in the Scotch.
I don't know where to look.
So is he going to get through?
Are you not entertained, Daddy?
Hey?
Are you not entertained?
We got a rider race. Yeah, but it's
And he's tiny.
tiny.
Take that out. Take that out. Did you say she was staying with you at 6 there? You was not staying with us? Are you sure?
Yeah, very sure.
What are you doing, Nick? What are you doing?
Everywhere.
You're blocking my shot. Don't put your hands in that wheel, lad.
There he is.
Savage that race, and here we are now. Prestige, final number 1. Don't worry, Ted, I'll let it out. Are you Ted?
Yeah. He's been here too long. 2 tires. Don't be with your face.
Dixon's Steven and Teddy's not.
Can't take his beer.
Big nose case for Will Hall. Suspected broken wrist. Oh no, maybe not. Let's get back No, it's alright. It's not back going to Will Hall. Yes, well happy with himself. Yes, lad. Just trying to find our hottie felt friends. Alright, Will! How are you doing? I'm trying to get over now. I've only got little legs. Alright, lads. Right, go ahead. Good. Yes, boss.
Really bold boots as well. Lots for you to do there. All the food outlets are there. The bars are open. Grab yourself some food, grab yourself a drink quickly. You've got about 15 minutes before we come back after the track crew. And we then go into the second half of the evening.
Pigeon! Hey, I've just been next to you. What are you doing here? Yeah, I know. People have been asking me all day where you are. You look better with that on.
On foot into the mile, super enduro track.
Don't let him next to me, Ted. Do not let him next to me. I won't be able to see. Pigeon and a Teddy fighting.
Like a bunch of fucking kids on here. Fucking hell.
Who in their right mind put you two next to each other in the seats?
That was just Yeah.
Tomo, lean back, I can't see because of your nose. Hey? You want to be on the vlog? Come on, lad. What's your name? This is where the carnage all happened last year. Are we ready, lads? This is the one we've been waiting for.
Come on, give a cheer, ladies and gents.
Come on.
Brave souls.
Is that Dixon?
We're not in the medics. This is looking tight.
Intense racing. It's intense, this cookie, isn't it, lad? Hey, this is intense. Dixon! He's in ambulance.
Keep going. Yeah, keep going.
Keep going!
Oh!
Wasn't quite as exciting as last year, was it? You two get on so well, don't you? It's rare we see them together on the vlog these days because they're so rival.
He's normally behind me, that's why. Never see, because he's always behind. Or laid on the floor.
What time have you got me tonight?
Laid on the floor. You'll be at the same time. You'll be in bed in half an hour.
Just for the viewers.
Just for the viewers. He's going home because of the fanny. He's a fanny, has to go home. He's told he has to go home. So he's going home.
Stay out.
Beep, beep. Beep, beep.
In Newcastle.
Get arsey now, look. Beep.
So childish.
Beep. Beep.
It's not road running, Ted.
You've got me in for 11, haven't you?
You two are absolutely pathetic, aren't you?
For the youth.
If there was a definition of a melt in the dictionary, this is it right here.
Dramatic. If you thought the first half was good, the second half is going to be even better. You ain't seen nothing yet, ladies and gentlemen. This is the one time you're allowed to shout, scream, and make as much noise as possible. Try it again. 1, 2, 3. Yes, Mum and Dad, you cannot tell them off for that. That was out.
Are you alright? You alright, Ted?
Adults,
You need some sugar.
pretend you're not grown up.
Is it past his bedtime,
Let's see how
Tomo?
much noise the adults only
Past
can
his
make.
bedtime.
Ready? 1, 2.
What a start! Down and down on the 350 KTM. Into the lead.
Here we go.
Harry Emerson.
Somebody's coming down the inside.
His wife Roxy to celebrate with her. He's so happy with that. Give him a cheer. Champion.
Again, he's done it. 5 championships in
yes,
a row.
lad.
Unprecedented.
I love to
He
see that.
is the king
Mega.
of super endurance.
How many drinks did you have?
Oh, we've got some magnificent trophies coming up here.
It's noticeable.
Final for the youth category. Fraser Cross. We're going to be cheering our British interest Fraser Lamkin on. In the second race, the junior final. It's going to happen very soon.
Thank you. What an absolute massive melt.
Sponsors, please.
He's gone.
Of course, with over 70 years of expertise,
Get on, Ted.
leader in agricultural and...
Patriotic in here tonight. We've got the national anthem. We've got British riders.
You want to be on there, don't you, Nick? Oh, probably. You love a bit of camera, you, don't you?
I know we fall off.
You're the new Jerko team manager. Yeah. Works in shop. You're the new Monica. Oh, that's offensive. Oh, sorry. Well, what an eventful race. My camera fucked up during the last race, but it was sick. That's the end of the vlog. That's the end of the night. We are leaving Super Enduro. Peace out. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bosh. You've had a piss down there.
Come on.
I need a piss.
Come on, hurry up.
Where shall I have one?